Sawmill. It is a hot, muggy day here in Tennessee, guys. It's just, God, the humidity is horrible right now. It rained about 30 minutes ago for about 15 minutes. It's like a sauna out here now because of that. So here's what's going on, guys. On the sawmill today, I've got something I've showed in videos a few years ago. I've not sawed this actually in a long time. And I think I did a video maybe in 2017 showing poplar. That's probably the last time. So this is Tulip poplar. Yellow poplar is another name of it. I guess a species that's kind of similar to it is cottonwood. Resembles it a lot. I think the characteristics are also about the same. But this is tulip poplar or yellow poplar, and a lot of the old timers around here used to call it popple as well. So it's got a lot of different names over the years, but poplar is what they refer to it now. And it's a really good species of timber. It grows really tall and really straight, and usually because of the high canopies, you got a lot of clear boards usually because there's no limbs coming off the bottom. It also grows pretty fast. There's actually if I can remember right, there's a hybrid form of poplar that grows even faster than the natural poplar. This is just regular poplar right here. But it's really good. It's a hardwood, although it saws up really soft, guys. The density's pretty low. It's good and strong. We're going to be making this into 2x4s. But it really saws up really well. The sawmill, man, even my LT35 would just glide right through poplar, even with a dull blade. It's just really nice to saw. A lot of uses nowadays, and historically, a lot of it's for woodworking. If you open up some drawers in your house, you might find that you have poplar on the sides, the bottom, and the back of the drawer. And usually the face of the drawer is a nicer quality oak or a cherry. And it's a secondary wood. It takes up, it really saves people money, I guess. You know, if you're gonna build a chest of drawers, you can do poplar for all your drawers and have a really nice mahogany or cherry front. It saves a little bit of money right there. So that's a really good use for it. Also, it's also used for cabinets. Some people use it for flooring, although I think it's a little too soft for flooring. Some people also build farmhouse tables with it, although I kind of think it's too soft for a farmhouse table, but if that's what you like, go for it. So let's get the yam bar cranked up and get going. This is an 8-footer. The diameter is a little bit smaller on that far end, not by much. Down here we're looking at about 14 inches, so not too bad. We'll get a good amount of 2x4s out of this. Good day, guys. It is Monday, July 27th. I don't know when you guys will see this video. I've got so much footage backed up. I'm trying to catch up because we've got so many projects here going on. I'm way behind. They're cutting hay. They've already cut hay, actually. They're going to be baling hay behind me back here in the field. So, got some tractor work going on behind us here. I need to get the hinder out as well to get my strap off here to take to the burn pile. And to answer a question I get all the time in these videos, I'll probably get it after this anyways. I burn 90% of my sawdust. Some of it goes to the compost pile, some of it goes in the garden. Almost every bit of our sawdust though goes to the burn pile. Yes, you could probably have a better way of getting rid of sawdust. People talking about taking it and pushing it into bricks and stuff like that. Guys, I don't have time for that. I just don't have time. I'm a one-man operation and logs are coming in every week. And too many projects going on here. I'm already way behind. Way behind. It's already pushing August. And that molder's still in there in the shop. And another new tool I've gotten in behind the camera, it's still on the skids as well. So just way behind here, way behind. And on top of all that, I'm getting a bigger kiln. I haven't even told you guys about that yet. It's getting crazy around here. So stick with me, guys. Let's get sawing and get these 2x4s knocked out.